Hello everyone and welcome to this tutorial. So in this lecture we will see how to visualize and study the evolution of shoreline using ArcGIS Pro. So as you see here on my screen, so this will be the final result of this lecture. As you see here, the pink line represents shoreline of year 2023. And the red line represents the year 1985. Then we will see how to generate the rubbersheet links and how to calculate and visualize the distribution of shape length. Then we will see how to create this histogram that help you to visualize your data and the distance between each shoreline. So now let's get started. So starting from the beginning, so as you see here in this file, I have two WinRAR. So the first one represent landsat 9 and the other one represent landsat 5 data, and this camel file represent my working area. It was created in Google Earth. So we will see how to convert it to shapefile. So right now open ArcGIS Pro. So once ArcGIS Pro is opened, so to create a new project, click on map. So click on map icon, and here for location, so click on browse folder and navigate to the place where you want to save your project. So select it and click on OK. And for name of your project, so for name of your project here, so give it a name, for example, the shoreline, or evolution of shoreline. Then click on OK. So during this lecture, we will see as a plan or what we will do as a tasks. So we will see how to import data, working area and landsat images. Then we will see how to composite bands in true color. Then we how to apply mask to extract only the imagery of the working area. So we will see unsupervised classification, converting the polygon to line, and applying smoothing to line if needed. Then comparison between the two shorelines and how to generate shoreline histogram. So now let's extract my data. So go back to the file, and if you have the same version of window like me, so double click on WinRAR. So let's start with landsat 5. So double click and click on extract to, then click on OK. So we repeat the same thing for landsat 9. So in this lecture we will start with landsat 5. So open landsat 5 file, and so we will need only the band 1, 2 and 3 to create the true color. So we will use band 1, 2 and 3 to create true color, and for band 9 we will use bands 2, 3 and 4. So for landsat 5, so copy the link of file, so and then go back to ArcGIS Pro. So here in the content table, so right click on map, so under drawing order, and click on new group layer. So double click on new group layer to give it a name. So for example, landsat 5. So we will start with landsat 5. Then click on OK. So, and now right click on this group layer. So that right click on landsat 5 and click on add data. So then pass the file that you copied and click on OK. So select band 1, 2 and 3 and click on OK. So in this group layer where we will combine all landsat 5 data. So to composite band, so click on analysis and click on tools. Then click on toolbox and go to data management tools. So find data management tools and click on raster. And then under raster tool, click on raster. Click on raster processing and then click on composite band. So here in input raster, so start with the band number 3, then the band number 2, and in the final, so select the band number 1. So for output here, so give it a name for the output raster. So for example, landsat 5 true color. So once you do that, click on run. So wait till the process finish. So now we will see how to import my working area. So my KML working area. So this one. So to import or convert KML to shape file. So in toolbox, so go to conversion tool and click on from, so click on KML tool and KML to layer. So and here, so click on this browse to import the KML file. Select it and click on OK. For output location, so it will be the same. So where I saved my project and click on run. So it's OK. So now we will see how to extract or how to apply mask to this image to get only the image of my working area. So in toolbox, so in toolbox, go to spatial analysis tools and click on extraction and click on extract by mask. So import raster, which is the imagery, so the composite band. And for import raster or feature mask is my working area. This polygon. And for output, it will be in the same place where I saved my project, so give it a name here. And for extraction area, keep it inside. Then click on run. So right now is okay. So for unsupervised classification, so here in the under toolbox, so by using toolbox, so click on spatial analysis tools and click on multivariate. Then click on ISO cluster unsupervised classification. So click on. So for import raster band, so is SAT 84, and for number of classes, so we can try the number of class 3 or 2. So as I think here we will try 2 classes. So for output classified raster, so give it a name. Then click on run. So now we will see how we get a raster with 2 classes. This is a raster with 2 classes. So now we have to convert this raster to polygon. So to do that, so go to conversion tools, and click from raster and raster to polygon. Then here input the raster in question, and here we have for field is value. Then give a name for output polygon feature and click on run icon. So once we get the result, so we will convert it to the line. So we will convert polygon to line. So to do that, so go back to toolbox so click on this arrow and I think go to data management tools and find feature tool, then click on feature to line. This one, no, I'm sorry. So and click on polygon to line. So click on polygon to line, and then input the polygon and give a name for the output feature class. So we will name it now Shoreline 84. Then click on run. So once you get the result, so we will start editing or we'll enable editing for this shoreline. So to delete or remove unwanted lines and to keep only the shoreline or the line that represent my shoreline. So now it gives a good result really. So to start editing the shoreline, so click on edit and then click on create. So here you select the shoreline. So now we will keep only this one. You go and click on select icon, this one. So click on select icon. So now we will keep only this selected line. So we will select the other unwanted line and right click and click on delete. So you repeat for the others. And to remove this unwanted part of my shoreline, so what we will do, so select the feature and then, so to delete this unwanted part of my feature, so what we will do, so select the line, then you click on this expand arrow and click on split, then draw a line like this. Is okay. So now you can select only this part and delete it. So it's okay. And now we will repeat the same processing for landsat 9. So we will repeat the same thing, and in this part for landsat 9 will be without voice, and I will only add the description of all my all steps.